Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Nissan Rogue. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, turbocharged engine, keyless entry, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, backup camera, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels. Feel energized in this sporty Rogue. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.